Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Ear Vacuum is probably one of the most innovative gadgets I've reviewed this year. We're diving deep into the world of ear cleaning, exploring the features, and dissecting whether it lives up to the hype. Forget cotton swabs and the potential risks they pose. We're talking about a safe, effective, and surprisingly satisfying way to keep your ears clean and healthy. Number 5. Teslong 1080p HD Digital Otoscope with Light. This digital otoscope captures live video and takes pictures at a 1280 by 720 resolution. The built-in heat sinks and temperature control ensure the camera doesn't get too warm during use, providing a comfortable experience. The included silicone ear picks help remove earwax without scratching. It comes with 3 specula to prevent over-insertion and potential injury when looking inside your ears. To use it, simply install the app and connect the camera to your mobile device via USB. Then, press and hold the power button to turn it on, and you can start capturing images and videos immediately. This otoscope works with all Android mobile devices. Please note that it does not support PC, MacBook, or Linux systems. The package includes the digital otoscope, a USB adapter, 3 specula, 5 ear picks, and a portable case for easy storage. Everything you need is right there. What we like. This otoscope offers high-definition video, allowing you to clearly see inside your ear. It also includes ear wax removal tools, making it a comprehensive solution. If you're looking for a device that combines clear visuals with practical cleaning capabilities, you should consider this. What people say. This item is well made. Very clear picture. The setup with my phone was seamless, much easier than with other, similar products I've used, and the picture was clear and bright. Number 4. ScopeAround 720p HD Wi-Fi Ear Otoscope Camera. Are you experiencing ear itching or irritation? This otoscope is the perfect tool for inspecting your ear. It offers high-definition visuals and is movement-sensitive, allowing you to see everything in detail. The 70 degrees angle design fits the ear structure, providing a wider view. This helps you see inside your ear more clearly. With the specula and LED lights, you can confidently and safely check your ears. It includes full screen and split screen modes. In full screen mode, you can view real-time images. In split screen mode, you can compare a previous image with the live view for easy side-by-side analysis. The Wi-Fi is built inside the ear camera for a simplified design. The overheat protection ensures maximum comfort for users during use. This digital otoscope works with Android and iOS devices. Download the app, connect via Wi-Fi, and easily capture images or videos. You can use it to inspect your ears, nose, skin, hair, oral cavity, or even your pets. What we like. With dual view modes, this otoscope provides flexibility in how you view your ear canal. The wireless connectivity adds convenience, and the overheat protection ensures safety. If you like a device that prioritizes both ease of use and safety, this one is a great choice. What people say. This has been such a helpful tool, it connects right to my phone, and the picture quality is excellent. The light and camera work really well together so you can actually see what's going on without any guesswork. The images are crystal clear and it was very easy to set up. Number 3. Hion Ear Wax Removal Kit. Are you still using cotton swabs? Research shows that they can push wax further into your ear. This kit is a better solution. This Hion kit is made of stainless steel. It won't rust or cause allergies. It's also easy to clean and sterilize. Each tool has a double-headed design for effective earwax removal. Different scoops are designed to remove different types of earwax. It can remove adhesions in the ear canal 360 degrees. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip. The tools are reusable and washable. They come in different sizes to fit any ear canal. The kit comes with a portable storage box. You can easily store the tools and take them with you. It's perfect for home or travel use. We care about your satisfaction. If you're not happy with the kit, please contact us. Get yours today. What we like. This ear wax removal kit features stainless steel tools for durability and hygiene. The double-headed design offers versatility, and the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip. If you prefer a traditional, reusable solution with a focus on precision and comfort, you should consider this. What people say. The vacuum has a soft silicone tip that is gentle on the ear canal. It effectively removes earwax without causing discomfort. The design is ergonomic and easy to handle. Number 2. W102 Ear Wax Removal Kit. The skin in your ear is very sensitive. This irrigation washer tool gently removes wax, dirt, and debris without causing any damage. It's a safe and effective way to clean your ears. This ear cleaning kit helps you save money. You can use it at your convenience by simply refilling the spray bottle with your own solution, following the user manual. The kit includes 30 disposable soft ear tips. These are replaceable after each use, preventing cross-contamination and ensuring a sanitary cleaning experience for everyone. This ear wax removal tool is quick and effective for all ages. It's perfect for removing excess ear wax buildup at home, even for cleaning kids' ears safely. We offer a 12-month replacement warranty. If you have any issues with the ear cleaning tool, please contact us. We are committed to providing 100% quality products and service to our customers. What we like. This ear cleaner provides a safe and effective way to remove earwax. It can save you money on doctor visits, and the disposable ear tips ensure hygiene. If you are looking for a cost-effective and sanitary solution for ear cleaning at home, you should consider this. What people say. It is very easy to use and really effective in removing earwax without causing discomfort. The bottle and basin system made it so easy to use, and it was much more effective than I expected. The gentle stream of water really loosened and flushed out the wax without any discomfort. Number 1. KAUGIC Ear Wax Removal Kit. This ear wax extractor features a seamless tank that combines waste and clean water. This innovative design simplifies and speeds up the cleaning process by dispensing and collecting water simultaneously. The KAUGIC electric ear cleaner has smart temperature control for safe earwax removal. A red light indicates it's too hot and stops operation, while a green light shows the ideal temperature. With IPX7 protection, this earwax removal kit is safe for shower use. The device is easily cleaned by rinsing it under the tap, offering a higher level of protection than IPX5. When the water's temperature indication light is green, between 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 102 degrees Fahrenheit, align the O with the unlocking sign and rotate to lock. This makes ear cleaning easier. This ear cleaning device offers 4 pressure levels to meet your needs. You can easily select the intensity by pressing the power mode button. It is designed for your comfort. What we like. This ear cleaner features a one-piece waste tank for easy cleaning. It also includes a water temperature sensor for safety and a waterproof design for convenience. If you have a need for a modern, easy-to-clean, and safe ear cleaning system, you should consider this. What people say. The vacuum is very effective at removing ear wax. The design is ergonomic and easy to use. It has a soft silicone tip that is gentle on the ear canal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.